good morning. Today we are discussing about Kirchhoff current law problem. Here find the current in the 3 ohm resistor in the circuit shown in figure. Here the figure 10 volt voltage source and then 20 voltage source, then 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm connected in this circuit diagram. And then solution, then current flow direction, then I1 is the clockwise direction, and I2 is the same clockwise direction in the opposite side battery. Here first of all KVL, that means Kirchhoff voltage law, then applying to the AB means 1 ohm into I1, and then B means 3 ohm, then I1 plus I2, 3 I1 plus I2, and then circuit enclose loop and minus 10 volt, that is equal to transfer 10 volt plus 10 volt. And then next equation, then sum of potential rise equal to sum of potential drop, 1 I1 is equal to plus 3 I1 plus I2 is equal to 10. Here I1 1 I1 plus 3 I1 plus 3 I2 is equal to 10. 4 I1 plus 3 I2 is equal to 10. And the next loop for applying Kirchhoff voltage law loop, and then CB VDC, and then 2 I2, and current flow direction, then 3 plus I1 plus I2, and then minus and current direction, then minus 20 volt, then applying Kirchhoff voltage law, the sum of potential rise equal to sum of potential drop. Here 2 I2 plus 3 I1 plus 3 I2 is equal to 20. So and then 3 I1 plus 5 I2 is equal to 20, and then matrix formation equation 1 and 2, then 4 3 3 5 I1 I2 is equal to 10 20. Then delta value is equal to 11, del I1 is equal to, then total value of del I1 minus 10, then I1 is equal to del I1 divided by del is equal to then minus 0.909 amps, and then I2 is equal to del I2 is equal to 50, and then current value I2 is equal to del I2 divided by del, that means 4.54 amps. Here the total current through the 1 ohm resistor I1 is equal to minus 0.909, then current through the 2 ohm resistor I2 is equal to 4.54 amps, and then current through the 30 ohm resistor I1 plus I2 is equal to minus 9.09 plus 4.54 is equal to 3.631 amps. Next, another one problem. The Reinstone bridge consists of AB is equal to 10 ohm, BC is equal to 30 ohm, CD is equal to 15 ohm, DA is equal to 20 ohm. A galvanometer of resistance 40 ohm is connected across the between B and D. Calculate the current through the galvanometer when the potential difference of 2 volt is maintained across the AC. Here the Reinstone bridge circuit, then current flow through the battery from current flow through the branch circuit, that means 2 separate branches I1 I2, and then node is connecting more than 2 points, it will be separate current flow for I3, and then BC I1 minus I3, and then BC I2 plus I3, then the equation of incoming current is equal to outgoing current. The Kirchhoff current law, the sum of current flowing towards the junction is equal to sum of current flowing away from the junction is equal to 0. Here applying Kirchhoff law, then first loop formation applying A B D A. Here 10 I1 plus 40 I3 and minus 20 I2, and then first loop, second sum of potential is equal to sum of potential of, that means 10 I1 plus 40 I3 is equal to 20 I2, and then plus 10 I1 minus 20 I2 plus 40 I3, and then applying Kirchhoff current voltage law. Then next loop for B, C, D. In this loop B, C, D, D, and then current flow, then 30 I1 minus I3, and then opposite direction to be minus 15 I1 plus I2 plus I3, and then minus clockwise direction of the current flow means minus 40 I3. The applying Kirchhoff voltage law, 30 I1 minus I3 is equal to 15 I2 plus I3 plus 40 I3, and then resultant value 30 I1 minus 15 I2 minus 85 I3 in the second loop formation. And then third loop formation, and then battery source, and then third loop formation in the A, B, C, and then A. In this formation, then current flow direction 20 I2, and then our current direction 50 I2 plus I3, and then current flow source to minus 20 voltage source, and then 15 plus I2 plus I3. Sum of potential is equal to sum of potential of in the circuit formation. Then 35 I2 plus 15 I3 is equal to 2 volt. And then the equation for equation 1 and 2, 3, then 10 I1 minus 20 I2 plus 40 I3, 30 I1 minus 15 I2 minus 85 I3 is equal to 0, 35 I2 plus 15 I3 is equal to 2, and then matrix formation 10 minus 20, 40, 30 minus 15 minus 85, 0, 35, 15, I1, I2, I3 is equal to 0, 0, 2, and then delta value, here the delta value is equal to 78,500, and then del I3, the current flow through the center of the point and the galvanometer of BD. Now calculate the del I3 is equal to, then that means 10 matrix formation 10 minus 20 0, 30 minus 15 0, 0, 35 2, and then del I3 is equal to 900. Here del I3 divided by del is equal to 0.0114 amps. Here current flowing through the 40 ohm resistor is I3 is equal to 0.0114 amps. The next terms and the definition. Network element, any individual element which can be connected to some other element is called a network element. Active element, these are elements which can deliver electrical energy, example voltage source and current source. Positive element, there are elements which consume electric energy either by absorbing or storing in it, example the passive element of resistance, inductance and capacitance. Electric network, interconnection of element like a resistor or inductor or capacitor or electrical energy sources are known as networks. And then electric circuit, a closed energized network is known as circuit. Node or junction in a network, a point at which two or more elements are connected together is called a node. Simple node, a node where only two elements are joined is called simple node. Principal node, a node where three or more elements are joined is called principal node. And then branch of network, a branch is a path, the connection to nodes. And next one is a loop in a network, a closed path obtained by standing at a node and returning back to the same node through a set of connected circuit element. And meshing a circuit, a loop that does not contain any other loops within it. And next, active network is passive network. Active network, a network which constrains a source of energy is called active network. A network which contains no energy source of energy is called passive network. Example, voltage source and current source. Here example is a R, L and C. It's a passive element. Then unilateral circuit is bilateral circuit. Unilateral circuit and then bilateral circuit. It is a circuit whose properties or characteristics change with the direction its operation. A diode rectifier is a unilateral circuit because it cannot perform rectification in both sides. A bilateral circuit is one whose properties or characteristics are the same in either direction. The usual transmission line is bilateral because it can be made to perform its function equally well in either direction. Next one is a linear circuit, this non-linear circuit. Linear circuit and non-linear circuit. A circuit network whose parameters, that is elements like resistance, inductance, capacitance are always constant irrespective of changing time, voltage, temperature, etc. is known as linear network. A circuit whose parameters change their values in time, temperature, voltage, etc. is known as nonlinear network. The Ohm's law can be applied to such network. Such network follow the law of superposition. The Ohm's law may not be applied to such network. Such network does not follow the law of superposition. Thank you.